Tonight, many of you still in recovery mode after Hurricane Beryl, including a grandmother whose dream home was destroyed by a falling tree.
And it gets even worse. Because of an insurance mishap, her coverage lapsed just as Beryl struck. Tracy Bragg has her warning so it doesn't happen to you.
Like many grandparents, Phyllis Yankey's version of the American dream means living close to her grandchildren. So when a son who lives in Conroe told her the house next door was up for sale,
I thought, wow, it'd take a lot of work, but I think I'd like it. And my son has a swimming pool next door, and I said, I know I'd like that.
she jumped at the opportunity. In January, selling her condo in Kentucky, paying cash for the home in Montgomery County. She says she called the same insurance company she's used for 52 years, started a policy, and paid her premium. Then it was time to start renovations.
Their church sent a youth group over and helped us tear out all the stuff that was bad.
New siding quickly went up, new floors and cabinets went in, but then
The big shakeup was when I got my letter that said the insurance company would no longer insure me. And I go, no longer insure me?
she says the insurance company blamed previous damage that made the home insurable. Phyllis started making calls, but she says she quickly learned that since she'd taken the home to the studs, she'd need what's called builder's risk insurance.
It's always the same thing. When it goes to underwriters, they say they won't insure it. And I said, well, am I the first person that's ever remodeled a house in poor condition?
Phyllis says without another option, it became a race to finish the renovation as soon as possible, then buy a traditional homeowner's policy. $70,000, and months later, on July 7th, she was just a week away from completion when her son called.
All he could say was, I'm sorry, Mom, I'm sorry, Mom. And then he started sending me pictures.
Hurricane Beryl had blown in, knocking down huge trees. One destroyed her home, another the garage where all her belongings were being stored during the construction.
We all just shed a lot of tears. It was devastating.
Now this grandmother is rebuilding her dream home all over again, forced to pay tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket yet again, with the looming threat of hurricane season still hanging over her family.
I think God will watch out for it this time until it gets insured. He is my insurance right now.
That was Tracy Bragg reporting. Phyllis told us she wants her story out there so others don't get caught up in the same situation. According to attorneys who specialize in insurance law, there are a couple things you can do to protect yourself. First, have a good insurance agent. And when you're talking with them, be very upfront about your plans to remodel or renovate. Be specific about when you plan to move into the home. That'll determine what kind of policy is right for you. And this is very important. After you start your new homeowner's policy, wait at least 30 days before starting renovations. That should give your insurance company time to fully review your policy so you won't get a surprise denial after you start doing the work.
I was not aware of this.
No.
She got caught in she just didn't know.
A lot of
and it
people
was a
don't.
perfect storm until the storm came. That is, I feel for her.
I know.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
But now you know.